Hi, I'm Emilio Veliz, Executive Director of the Appropedia Foundation. I want to briefly show you the portal and tools that we have prepared for the Global Surgical Training Challenge. Appropedia helps experts document their research and innovative solutions connected to sustainability and international development. We provide the tools so you can teach others how to perform a procedure, build something, or even run a project. With this in mind, we created a portal for the Global Surgical Training Challenge. It contains validated training modules ready to be used in various settings, especially for simulation-based surgical training to prepare medical practitioners in low and middle-income countries at a low cost. These modules are composed of skill pages with annotated video tutorials and knowledge pages with instructional content. You can describe each skill with its requirements, show others how to do it, and explain how to self-assess their performance. We will also provide you with a toolbox of ideas and resources to help you communicate practical knowledge effectively as you develop your own training modules. One example is the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technician skill set, a module with a complete set of psychomotor skills required by the state of California for registration as an emergency medical technician. It will allow anyone to learn, practice, and self-assess these skills remotely. This is the bulk of what we have prepared for you on Appropedia. We invite you to come and explore a topic that interests you. Think of Appropedia as a part of your team's toolkit and start navigating your way through skill pages such as the one already existing at the Global Surgical Training Challenge portal. We're excited to be part of this competition and support your work as you create practical open source knowledge available for medical practitioners worldwide.